Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chapterwise GK, the only YouTube channel to provide GK by chapter. Now in this video, I will discuss with you 15 MCQ from Indian Polity and Constitution which have been asked so many times in many competitive examination and therefore they are very important for your upcoming examination. If you like the content, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more informative video daily. And friends, don't skip a single question because all the question is very important. So let's go to the question. Question number 1. Dual citizenship is an important feature in which form of government? The options are here, I read them. Parliamentary government, federal government, authoritarian government, or unitary government. The correct answer is federal government. Remember friends that federal form of the government provides the feature of dual citizenship to the people of the country. In the federal state, a person is not only the citizen of the country but also of the particular state where the person is born or belongs to. Friends, remember that in India, dual citizenship is not granted, though power is divided into state and center like a federal country. Okay. Question number 2. The salary of the members of parliament is decided by the parliament, the central cabinet, the speaker, or the president. The correct answer is parliament. Remember that the amenities provided to the members of the parliament relate to the salaries and allowances, traveling facility, medical facilities, accommodation, telephone, etc. These are governed by the Salary, Allowances and Pension of the Members of Parliament Act 1954 and the rules made thereunder. Okay. Question number 3. The voting age in India was lowered from 21 years to 18 years through Presidential Ordinance, Constitutional Amendment, Parliamentary Legislation, or Executive Order. The correct answer is Constitutional Amendment. Yes, friend, remember that the minimum age of voting in India was lowered from 21 to 18 years by the 61st Amendment Act 1988, and this was done by amending the Article 326, which is related to the election of MLA and legislature. Okay. Question number 4. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from England, USA, France, or Canada. The correct answer is obviously England. Remember that the Indian Constitution borrowed such features as parliamentary form of government, introduction of speaker and his role, the concept of single citizenship, and the rule of law, procedure of lawmaking, etc. from England. So lots of constitutional features are borrowed from England. Please kindly note down all the features. The Indian Citizenship and Nationality Law and the Constitution of India provide single citizenship for all of India. Question number 5. Who among the following was the first Minister of Finance in independent India? The correct answer is R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. Remember, the first finance minister of independent India was R.K. Shanmugam Chetty, who served as the finance minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's cabinet between 1947 to 49. On November 26, 1947, Chetty presented the first budget of independent India. Please kindly note down all the bulletin points. Question may come here and may ask you who presented the first budget of independent India. The answer will be Chetty. Okay. Earlier, he had served the president of India's Central Legislative Assembly from 1933 to 1935. Question number 5. In which state of India is there a uniform civil code? For your kind information, please note down that uniform civil code involves having a common set of laws related to the marriage, divorce, succession and adoption for all Indian. Instead of allowing different personal law for people of different religion. Okay. In India, the small state in Goa, civil code based on the old Portuguese family law or Goa family law or Portuguese civil code exists, which prohibits the Muslim personal law. Okay. And this was a result of the liberation of Goa in 1961 by India, when the Indian government promised the people of their law would be left intact. Okay. Question number 7. When were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution? Options are here. You can see. The right answer is 1976. Friends, remember that the 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976 has incorporated 10 fundamental duties in Article 51(1) of the Constitution of India. And this was done in accordance with the recommendation of the Sardar Sharon Singh Committee. India adopted fundamental duties from the Constitution of erstwhile USSR. Friends, please note down this point. Question, I tell you again that question may come from the bulletin point. Okay. India adopted these features of Constitution from United of Soviet Socialist Republic. Okay. Who chairs the joint session of two houses of the parliament? The answer: Vice President, Prime Minister, Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and President. The correct answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Please note down the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha lower house is known as the Speaker, and the joint session of Parliament is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and the decision is obviously taken by a majority of the total members of present there. And please kindly note down the first joint session of Parliament was held in May 1961 over disagreement between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha over an amendment act of Dowry Prohibition Act. Remember, M.A. Iyengar was the Speaker of India then, and M.A. Iyengar is also the first Deputy Speaker of India, and he was the Governor of Bihar also. Question number 9. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Vallabhbhai Patel, or Jawaharlal Nehru? The correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I read the bulletin point. Dr. Sachinanand Sinha was the first president or temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly when it met on December 9, 1946. So then Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the president of the Constituent Assembly and would later become the first president of India. Okay. If the question comes as the temporary chairman, then the answer would be Dr. Sachinanand Sinha. Okay. Which part of the Constitution of India is known as Code of Administrator? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. The correct answer is Part 4. Remember that the directive principles are contained in the Part 4, Article 36 to 51 of the Constitution of India are not enforceable by any court, but the principles laid down there are considered irrefutable in the governance of the country. They relate to social justice, economic welfare, foreign policy, and legal and administrative matters. Question number 11. Who was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? A very important question. Options are Sushma Swaraj, Margaret Alva, Sarojini Naidu, or Meera Kumar. The correct answer is Meera Kumar. Remember that Meera Kumar was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha, and she served from 2009 to 2014. Earlier, she served as a cabinet minister in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment of Manmohan Singh's Congress-led government. And Miss Susmita Mahajan is the second woman to hold the position. Okay. Question number 12. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sri K.M. Munshi, Sir B.N. Rao. The correct answer is Benegal Narsingh Rao was an Indian bureaucrat, jurist, diplomat, and statesman known for his key role in drafting the Constitution of India. Remember that B.N. Rao was appointed as the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly in formulating the Indian Constitution. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court? Options are 2, 3, 5, 6. Correct answer is 5. We know that there are 5 types of writs which can be issued by the Supreme Court. They are habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto. Question number 14. The Prime Minister of India is elected, appointed, nominated, or selected. The correct answer is appointed. Remember that the Prime Minister is appointed by the President to assist the President in the administration of the affairs of the executive. The President of India is the head of the executive in terms of Article 53, with Office of the Prime Minister as heading the Council of Ministers to assist and advise the President in the discharge of the executive power. The last question. When did the Indian Constituent Assembly meet for the first time? The correct answer is December 9, 1946. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on 9 December 1946. So friends, this was the 15 important MCQ which are very important for your upcoming examination. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Have a great day. Tata.